right, 5th grade math PSSA fun stuff. Subtract 1 76/100 minus 9/10. This is a no calculator problem, kids. So if you're reaching for that calculator, knock it off. So we have to do this by hand. It's really important that when you add or subtract decimals, the first thing you really need to focus on is lining up the decimals. So I'm going to write out 1 76/100. And when I write out the 0.9 underneath, I'm going to put 0.9 like so the decimals line up. Now I subtract. And if you're missing any numbers to the right side of numbers, add a 0. It won't harm you. And now you subtract like normal. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow from the 1, turn you to a 0, turn you at a 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Drop down your decimal. 0 minus 0 is, guess what? 0. And you end up with 86/100, which is A.